So hi everyone. First, thank you to Michael because I think you gave a perfect introduction to what I'm going to present you, Sivan. We develop medical follow-up algorithm for patients with chronic disease. So it's a breakthrough technology that will really enable to fill this gap between the patient and the doctor. So first, couple words about Sivan. Who is Sivan? The company was founded in 2014 by Daniel Israel. We are developing this application, health application, that are based on algorithm in order to better follow up patients with chronic disease. We are a team of 20 people, experts in technology, R&D people, medical director people. This is our management board, very quickly. We are working with like a top advisory board. We are working in the US with Dr. Ethan Bash in Chapel Hill, Dr. Fabrice Denis in France, Dr. Alain Livartowski, from the Curie Institute. So what is MoveCare? MoveCare is a web application. It's, we have the CE mark, so it's a medical device. And it's an application that is able to detect relapse or complication for the patient with lung cancer. So it's a class 1 medical device, and it's the first digital therapy that was proven to increase overall survival after 7 years of research and development. So for you to understand, if I can, I think it's not possible.
Just a second, technical challenge.
See what they said.
Yeah, it's a short video,
yeah,
and
worked about 2 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Patients at home can report their symptoms weekly. If the algorithm based on the answer of the question detects an anomaly, then it will send automatically an alert to the doctor for further investigation. This is the concept. It's a very simple concept, but it's very powerful. When there is an alert sent to the doctor, it really means that there is something. We validated this medical device with 7 years of clinical studies. We had 2 feasibility trials. We had a phase 2 study, clinical trial of phase 3. We presented the results in ASCO in 2016 and 2018, the final results. And we proved that thanks to MoveCare, we increased survival by 7.6 months, which is amazing. I don't know if you know, but for lung cancer, the newest therapy, like immunotherapy, nivolumab, targeted therapy, you can save 3-4 months of overall survival. So 7.6 months, it's just amazing. And how does it work? How is it possible that a software like MoveCare can increase survival like a drug? So in fact, the concept is very easy. Usually what happens today in the standard care of follow-up for patients with lung cancer, they are home and they they have their checkup once every 3 months or 6 months. Now they have a CT scan, everything is fine. 3 months after, they go back to have the CT scan, everything is clear. They go back home and they think that really everything is okay. And then, for example, they have a weight loss, exactly what you said. And they stay home and they think, okay, maybe it's not related to cancer, maybe it's different, and they're also scared to go disturb the doctor for nothing. They stay home, they wait until the next CT scan, and then what happens is that during this time, their health state deteriorates so much that when they come to the next CT scan, it's too late to give them the optimal treatment. Full dose chemo, not possible. Combo between immuno, chemo, not possible anymore. So this time that you save, the time between the CT scans that you monitor continuously with this algorithm and weekly symptom can save a lot of survival for these patients. And this is the benefit for the patient is clear. Overall survival, we also proved during our clinical study that it can increase the quality of life of the patient. Usually the patient is home, is waiting for his CT scan, is very often old in the lung cancer patient, over 70, and they feel alone. With MoveCare, they tell us that they feel much closer from the doctor. They feel that really every Monday morning they come, they fill their questionnaire, and somebody is looking for them. It's very rare. I don't know how it is in every country. In France, for example, you don't have the private number of your doctor. Here, they become kind of VIP. They know they also have a free text, and they know that really someone is taking care. So it decreases a lot their anxiety. For other stakeholders of the health system, it's also a huge benefit. For the doctor, during the medical visit, he has an interface. And in his dashboard, he has a full view of the symptom over time of the patient. So he can have a much better diagnosis and also much faster. Also, the other thing, a lot of doctors tell us, I see a lot of patients they are okay, they feel well, they don't need to come. Sometimes they have like 1 hour travel to come. I want to concentrate on the patient who really needs it and less on the patient who are healthy. Thanks to MoveCare, they can really do that. And last but not least, for the health system, the insurance is a huge benefit because until now, they have a lot of CT scans that are proven not to be able to detect relapse like they are supposed to. Also, they have a lot of emergency hospitalization. And we saw with clinical experience that thanks to MoveCare, you can reduce hospitalization, emergency hospitalization, meaning that in fine, this device is going to be able to optimize the resources, the health resources of the public system. In France, it's the first medical device that was approved to reimbursement. So in April 2019, we got the approval from the French ministry to reimburse MoveCare. It will be reimbursed exactly like a drug, prescribed by a doctor and reimbursed on a monthly basis for the patients. So we got like an ASA of 3. It's also the first time that a medical device got ASA of 3. You have the equivalent only for drug, like Opdivo, for example. So it's quite impressive. They also decided in France, the French ministry decided to create a medical act in order to pay for the doctor who are going to follow MoveCare. So it's also a huge advancement for the health in France. Today, MoveCare is already deployed in hospitals. So you have Institut Curie, for example. You have the network of Elsan. It's a huge network of hospitals in France. You have the CHU de Lille. So we already started the deployment. Doctors are starting to follow up the patient with MoveCare. It's a totally different way to follow the patient, and they trust MoveCare. Our vision. So our vision for tomorrow, for us, it's really to improve patient survival, also to empower the patient, to have the patient become really a responsible actor, not just a passive actor, but an active actor in his health. We believe in that. We want something that is always validated. You have lots of apps in the market, but we want to always follow like clinical trials. Today, our product roadmap will be like to continue like studies. We started to prove for the lung cancer. We will prove that MoveCare can also work for other indications. We are working with our scientific advisory board to do clinical studies to prove that for other indications. And in fine, and I think that you explained it well, Michael, it's the future of the health, meaning that it's not only for cancer, this is for any chronic disease. Patient is home, patient is alone. There is like a huge miscommunication between the patient and the doctor. We want to fill this gap. We want to empower the patient. We started with France because it's a Franco-Israeli company. We are French. We started with the market that we know best. We will continue our journey in Europe, UK, Germany, Nordics are our next priority. US, we also opened like an office in the US this year. and of course Israel. We are also based in Israel. So let's shape the future of the health together, and thank you.